Hey guys, I'm Antonio, and you're watching another episode of Usually we use this elliptical to get fit, but today we're going to be finding the height of it, from its handle to its base, using trigonometric ratios. As you can see, the distance from the phone to the elliptical is 55 inches. On this phone, we downloaded a clinometer app, courtesy of Mr. A. Let's keep in mind that the distance from the phone to the ground is 33 inches. Okay, let's take this shot. Seen here, the angle of elevation is 16 degrees. As seen in the poster, we calculated the height of this elliptical to be about 48 4/5 of an inch. It's been another episode of Trig That Object.
Hi guys, my name is Jordan Hong, and this is another episode of Oh hey guys, I didn't see you there. So normally, we'd be out here in the quad eating lunch. But today, we'll be finding the height of this here A building using trigonometric ratios.
As you can see, the distance from where I'll be standing to the A building overhang is 149 inches.
So on this phone, we've downloaded a clinometer app courtesy of Mr. A. Okay? So now, let's keep in mind that the distance from this phone to the ground is 57 inches. Now let's get the shot.
As shown by the clinometer, the angle of elevation is 52 degrees.
So, we've calculated the distance from the ground to the overhang of the A building to be about 190 7/10 of an inch. This has been another episode of Trig That Object. Have a beautiful day.
Hey guys, my name is Ian Das, and this is another episode of Normally, we'd be out here in the field winning, unlike the Falcons, but today, we'll be using trigonometric ratios to find the height of this here goalpost's crossbar.
As you can see, the distance from the start of the end zone, from where we will be measuring, to the football goalpost is 360 inches.
On this phone, we've downloaded a clinometer app, courtesy of Mr. A. We'll be using it to find the angle of elevation. Let's keep in mind that the distance from the phone to the turf is 54 inches. Let's get this shot.
As seen by the clinometer, the angle of elevation is 5 degrees.
We've calculated the height of this here post to be about 85.5 inches. This has been another episode of Trig That Object.
Hey guys, my name is Jordan Hong, and this is another episode of Normally, we'd be out here on the spirit lawn chilling, which is essentially sort of what we're doing if we were nerds. But today, we'll be measuring the height of this here lamppost. using trigonometric ratios.
As you can see, the distance from where I'll be standing to the lamppost is 117 inches.
So on this phone, we've downloaded a clinometer app courtesy of Mr. A. Let's keep in mind that the distance from my phone to the ground is 57 inches. Let's get the shot.
As shown by the clinometer, the angle of elevation is 41 degrees.
So we've calculated the lamppost to be about 158 and 7/10 of an inch. This has been another episode of Trig That Object.
Hey guys, my name is Ian Das, and welcome to another episode of Normally, we be out here in the courts balling, rain or shine, actually making hoops, unlike Wally. But today, we'll be using trigonometric ratios to find the height of this here post. As you can see, the distance from the free throw line, from where we'll be measuring, to the base of the post is 222 inches. On this phone, we've downloaded a clinometer app courtesy of Mr. A. We'll be using it to find the angle of elevation. Let's keep in mind that the distance from the phone to the ground is 54 inches. Let's get this shot. As shown by the clinometer, the angle of elevation is 27 degrees. We've calculated the height of the post to be about 167 and 1/10 of an inch. This has been another episode of Trig That Object. Oh, hey, isn't that where Wally normally sits?
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show